HyperCloudXs here, the green ones. There's the HyperClouds, the HyperCloudX, and then the HyperCloudSs, which are, they don't even have a light on them. Got this from Amazon, used. Let's see how good they are. I'm gonna have all three of them, but my girlfriend likes green, so I was like, I'll just get you the green pair. I already have the red pair, which are the just the clouds, and somebody else's address is on there. I want the S's for myself because I can't stand not having. Sounds like there's a bunch of junk in there. I can't stand not having voice chat controls, and the S's fix that. So far the box doesn't sound that well. Looks good. So we got the quick start guide for the X's, which are the green ones again. Just tells you everything there is, what each button does. If you guys want to screenshot that, and then screenshot that, it'll tell you what all it is. Most of that stuff's already on the internet though. It's in English, that's just great. Plug it into your Xbox. Mute chat, plug it into your Xbox again. Knew that was gonna come. Just Japanese writing on the back. This is Kingston warranty. So a few things fell out in transit. That would have went right there. Excuse me. Nice boom mic. Looks brand new. I put that in there. I'm gonna need it. It has a little button there if you're gonna want to reset it or something. I always look for scratches. Now indicate that it's been used, and there is 2 scratches on there. I don't know if you guys can see that. Always look for the scratches. They don't lie. It came with a micro USB. No USB-C yet. The boom would have been right here, but it must have fell out during transit or somebody didn't put it in there right. That's it for the box. Lovely pair. Love the green. Scuff on the earmuff right there. Volume control. This one rolls instead of is a rocker. I like this a lot better than my Clouds from Hyper. Nice leather top. Love the leather earmuffs. The muffs, whatever you want to call them. On off switch. Boom goes in there. The button is so light. You can barely tell I'm pushing it. Power it on, see what they look like. Oh, nice green. Very nice. Just push it one more time, see if we got a pulse. Push it again, it should just shut off. Push it again, turn on. Very nice. Yeah, and that'll be our new gaming setup for the girl that runs on my channel. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the HyperCloud S's.
Thank you.